This is the coldest day we have had yet. No wandering far today. Hamwhisker Hollow stays close to home in a storm like this.
Winter adventures are only fun when we're careful. We stay together, stay off the ice, and never...
Some animals snuggle deep underground. Some curl up in nests high in the branches. Everyone has their own safe place. That was a strong one!
Everyone okay?
I think the wind is trying to knock. Did you hear that? That wasn't the wind.
It sounded like a tiny cry. There it is again. It's coming from outside, near the roots.
Something small is out there. We'll do a quick check just outside the hollow. We stay close to the door. If the wind rises again, we come right back in. Agreed?
Remember, hold pause, no running. We stay together like one big fluffy snowball.
Stay right behind me, everyone! It's so much colder than it looked from inside.
Stay close, no getting lost. I think it came from this side.
Slow steps. Let's listen again before we move closer.
There's something here, very small. A babe squirrel.
It's so cold.
It's very cold and very scared, but it's still breathing. We can help.
There you go, little one. We'll get you warm.
We'll help you find your home, right, Dad? There are tiny tracks here, but the storm is covering them fast.
We can't follow them now. The storm is too strong. We go inside, warm the squirrel, and plan this properly.
Hold on, little squirrel. We're almost inside.
You're safe with us for now. Whew. All right. Warmth first, rescue plan second.
There. Not too hot, not too cold. Just right for warming up.
Do you think it was trying to find its nest?
Maybe it got lost in the snow noise.
Remember, this little one is wild. We can help it, but we can't keep it.
Its family is probably searching too. What if we can't find its home? What if it has to stay lost forever?
We'll do everything we safely can. Helpers must take care of themselves too, so they can keep helping. Here's where we heard it crying.
And the tracks went this way.
I think. Then our mission has a name. Winter Squirrel Rescue. But we only go if we follow every safety rule we know.
These are for keeping us warm and finding our way.
Are we all agreed? When the storm eases, we go together, follow the tracks, and help this squirrel get home safely.
Agreed.
Agreed.
Together.
The wind is calming, not gone, but softer. Our chance is coming. Winter Squirrel Rescue, let's bring this little one home. See this bend here? That's this old branch. The nest might be somewhere past that ridge.
This is a good spot for a quick check. Not too long. We don't want anyone getting chilled. Its paws are warmer. That's good. Just a little more time, and it should be strong enough to scurry home.
This is our rescue circle. To
Today, we stay inside this area. Outside the circle would be too dangerous.
Stay inside the rescue circle.
Bring the squirrel home, but stay safe too.
Still strong, but softer than before. We go on, but slowly. If it grows again, we return here or home. If you feel lost, what do?
Stop, stay, call for help.
Stop, stay, call for help.
Dad, Mom, Pippa. Dad, Mom, Saffy, Nibbles.
Good. Your voices carry farther than you think. Just don't wander while you call.
If we need to turn back fast, we follow the acorns home.
Great idea. Trail markers can save time.
Rescuers need energy too.
Cold bodies make slow choice. Warm bodies think clearly.
I was really scared when we opened the door. I thought the wind might carry us away.
Being scared just means you understand something is dangerous. Brave rescuers feel scared and still make safe choices.
We're still inside our circle. The nest, if it's nearby, will be somewhere ahead, but not too far.
From here, the snow gets trickier. Remember, small steps, look up and down, no rushing.
Sometimes, helping isn't just about big rescues. It's also about understanding and caring for everyone around us, big or small.
Huddle!
See? Storms sometimes breathe. When it breathes out, that's our window to move a little farther.
We go as far as that twisty branch. If we haven't found new clues by then, we talk about turning back.
Cold, scared, or okay?
A bit cold, but okay.
Nervous, but also kind of brave.
We're still in our circle, and the storm is calmer. Do we feel safe going a little further?
I'm nervous, but I feel okay if we stay together.
I'm scared, but I don't want the squirrel to stay lost.
Thank you for telling us how you feel.
We'll go a little farther, but the moment it feels wrong, we turn back. That's real bravery.
Stay close, Winter Squirrel Rescue. The deeper we go, the more we use our skills.
With a plan in their hearts and safety in their paws, the Hamwhisker Hollow family walked bravely into the storm. 1, 2, 3, 4. We wait. We don't fight the storm. There. We can see again. Now we move slowly and stay close to the trunks.
If the snow gets thick again, we follow the trees instead of guessing.
Careful. Streams like to hide under snow.
I didn't even see it.
See? It looks solid, but it's not. We never walk on ice, ever. This log might be slippery. We'll keep walking until the stream narrows or dips away. Here, the ground is solid. No water beneath us. We can cross here carefully.
Eyes on your paws, not on the stream.
Step, step, step.
Made it. Looks like the storm built us a puzzle.
These branches could drop all that snow on your head. We never crawl under heavy snow.
Whoa.
That would have bonked my nose.
Exactly. Tools and distance, not heads and paws.
Safer side path? Approved.
I prefer boring and safe over surprising and buried.
Hear that? Less wind. We might be getting close to where small animals stay hidden.
Scratch marks and acorn bits. Squirrels have been here.
Maybe even this morning.
These look a lot like the tracks we followed from the hollow tree.
Same size, same pattern. This is definitely squirrel territory.
Remember, our ears can help us more than our eyes sometimes. You hear your family, don't you?
From here on, extra slow. We don't want to crush hidden tunnels. When we think burrows might be here, we stay outside the circle. We watch and listen from the edge.
This is close enough. We let them come to us. No stomping, no shouting.
Sometimes, nature whispers the loudest when we are the quietest.
They're down there, I'm sure of it. It's calling for them.
No moving now. Let them smell and hear first.
They see their baby. We just stay very still. Go on, little one. Your family's waiting.
Our part is done. Now their home takes care of them. Time to bring our own family home too.
Winter Squirrel Rescue complete.
They're all together now, all warm underground.
Just like us in our hollow.
Animals feel safer while helpers leave quietly. We helped, and now we step away so they can rest.
No stomping on roofs today.
We're tiptoe rescuers. See how quickly tracks disappear? That's why it's so hard for little ones in storms. We gave warmth and a path home. That's enough. Wild friends belong with their own families.
We respected their home, followed our circle, and stayed safe. That's how rescue should feel.
Now, it's our turn to go home to our own hollow.
2 families safe, not just one.
Look, it's like our past selves left us a trail.
Though mode.
Huddle mode, snowball shield, again.
I didn't even have to say huddle this time. You did it yourselves.
Any tingles or numbness?
Just a little chilly.
Toes are still wiggly. The sneaky stream is coming up.
And we already know where it hides. Same safe path, just one more time.
I like this crossing better than the cracky ice part.
If you ever see ice or a storm outside, remember, you stay with your grown-ups and never go exploring alone.
Going down can be tricky too.
That's why we use the same zigzag.
Trees can be breaks when the ground is slippery.
Tree breaks. Got it.
Down safe and sound.
Up slow, down slow. It works both ways.
Warm muscles mean steady paws.
Warm muscles mean silly dance.
Let's take one quiet moment to be thankful everyone, big and small, has a home tonight.
The light's getting softer. It's a good thing we turned back when we did.
Even close to home, we follow our 3 rules. Together, no ice, know the way back.
Huddle walk, storm shuffle.
Almost there. Keep it slow.
There it is! Our hollow! Our own cozy burrow!
Winter Squirrel Rescue complete. Time for warm paws and big cocoa mugs.
And that's the last of the storm for today.
This is why we always come home before dark. Warm light, warm fire, warm family.
Slow warming is best. Too fast and paws can sting.
Warm and tingly is better than cold and wiggly.
For brave helpers who followed every safety rule.
And for parents who taught them. This tastes like victory and chocolate.
Best flavor for a winter rescue. Let's show Tadale's path while it's still fresh in our minds. From Hamwhisker Hollow, across the tricky hill, around the dangerous ice, to the squirrel family's home. Welcome to our rescue wall.
A reminder of what kindness and careful thinking can do. What were the most important rules today?
And remember, helping someone never means risking everyone. We always come home alive and safe.
They have a nest.
We have a hollow.
They have parents.
We have you.
And kids watching at home can help too, by staying safe in storms, listening to their grown-ups, and being kind to animals.
We couldn't have said it better.
You're both growing into kind, smart helpers.
To staying safe, to helping others, to making it home.
We'll always do everything we can to keep you from getting lost, and to help you find your way home if you do.
And remember, there are real animal helpers in our world too. Wildlife rescuers and vets. Sometimes the safest help is calling them. Maybe tomorrow, we can make a little poster for the other Hollow families.
Good ideas spread warmth too. Bedtime for helpers.
Even heroes need sleep.
We found them.
Safe and warm.
Sleep well, my brave explorers.
Tomorrow is another day to be kind.
The forest looks different after a storm, doesn't it?
Quieter. And somehow more grateful. Thank you for letting us bring one of your little ones home.
Maps, rules, and love. 3 things that can guide us through any storm.
Wants to tell the story of yesterday from the beginning.
Ooh, me. I'll tell the I almost slipped part.
And you also said when you were scared or cold. That helped us choose the right time to turn back.
These are our 3 big lessons from the Winter Storm Rescue. Now nobody can forget them.
They're like our rescue spell.
What if we shared these tips with our neighbors in the oak forest?
Stay together, don't slip on ice. Know your home and think twice. Know your home and think twice.
The more we practice safe choices, the easier they become.
You'll remember them when it matters. Grown-ups, please stay close in storms. Kids aren't the only ones who need reminders. We see it before every winter walk.
Like a goodbye and be careful sign.
Poster, rules, check-in. That's our doorway routine.
We went out with a plan, and we came back with a story.
It felt good to help, even though it was scary sometimes.
That's what kindness often feels like. Brave and careful.
Our job isn't to fix everything. It's to do what we safely can, and then trust others and nature to do the rest.
Our family's rule number 1?
We always come home safe.
Always come home safe.
Always come home safe.
All across the forest, little families of red foxes rest, held
And in Hamwhisker Hollow, 4 little hearts sleep peacefully, knowing they did what they safely could.
Storms may come and go, but kindness, courage, and careful choices stay with us.
Wherever you are, little one, may you always find your way back to warmth, safety, and love.